Well, shoot. Ain't it obvious? You have to be a real idiot to not know this here upside down flag is a symbol of distress. And looky here. This California flag flies all uppity and to the left. Notice the trend in the other flags? Yes, sir. Most flying proud and to the right. I can only assume this here flag right here is for Texas. Obviously now, the wind ain't blowing in both directions. And the political turmoil of all these here different ideas is, well, look, it's obvious. Well, racism aside, I see something different, obviously. I see the struggle for the soul of this country. Will we continue till the winds of change stick us to dress right dress as we march to the right to fascism? Nay! We, the left, change the wind and march our own way. This country is in trouble, and we sound the alarm and grab the tofu and vegan bacon, 'cause trouble is brewing, baby! This is a storm, and winter is coming! Relax, dude.